How to check voicemail on Android. So if you want to go ahead and check your voicemail on Android in the easiest and most simplest way, it is really easy and really simple to do so. So basically, most of the times your voicemail is going to come straight to your email provider that you have on your phone. So in my case, let's say we have Gmail. Now generally, my emails are going to appear right here inside of my Gmail. But in the case that you have any other provider, you should find that right in your notifications up here that you can work along, efficiently with. And those voicemails are going to appear straight in your device through your mail. And once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. Now, there are some cases like, let's say on Apple, voicemails can appear through iMessages as well, so you can check it through that. But on Android, usually you're going to get it through your designated application for mail. Check it through your notifications, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.